Hi there, let's solve this complex number question. It says the complex number u plus ai is on the locus of points defined by this equation here. Find the value of I. So first, what does the locus mean, right? So locus means when you have like this complex number equals to complex number, we rewrite it as z minus 3 minus 2i modulus of z minus 6 minus I, right? We write it like that. And locus means that on the complex plane, let's plot those. 3 plus 2i, so 1, 2, 3, minus 2i, so we are going down. Let us suppose that, right? Just a random one. 3 minus 2i, that's that point. 4, 5, 6, and the next one is 6 minus I. So 6 minus I is here 6, and then minus I is here 6 minus I, right? So locus means the line that is perpendicular bisector. It is perpendicular and it is also a bisector. Bisector means it divides into two equal parts of this line. So this line is the locus of this thing. So what we have to do is, there are different ways of solving this question. The first way is you find the equation of this line, all right, and substitute these 2 points, right? But how do we find the equation of that line? So finding the equation is you solve this question here, right? So here let z is equals to x plus iy, right? And then we put in there, so modulus of x plus iy minus 3 minus 2i is equals to modulus of x plus iy minus 6 minus I, right? Now let's have the real values together and imaginary values together. So the real value here is x, and this one is going to be minus 3. So x minus 3 in one brackets. Then from here, this side, you are going to get y, just y, so plus y, right? And from here, minus minus is plus, so plus 2i, right? Is equals to modulus. Here we have say x and minus 6. So x and minus 6 is your real value. The other one plus y minus minus plus 1i, right? Now to solve the modulus, we do square root. So we'll do square root of x minus 3 square plus y plus 2 square is equals to x minus 6 square. And one thing to keep in the mind is you do not square the I, all right? Not I, because I squared is going to give you minus 1 and it's going to change everything in your equation. We are just using the magnitude of it. We are just using the number, or I is considered as a unit here, right? Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, you'll get x minus 3 square plus y plus 2 square is equals to x minus 6 square plus 1 square, right? Now let's expand the brackets. So here I'm going to have x square minus 6x plus 9. So I'm using a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So I'm using that formula. Next one is going to be y square plus 4y plus 4 equals x square minus 12x plus 36 plus y square plus 2y plus 1. All right. Now we have x, and when this x moves to this side, is going to be negative x, so that's cancel. Y, and when this y comes this side, is going to be negative y, so that's cancelled. we have minus 6x plus 12x from this side, and plus 4y and negative 4y, negative 2y, and then plus 9 plus 4 minus 36 minus 1 equals to 0. All right. Now let's simplify further. So minus 6 plus 12 is 6x plus 2y. Let's solve this. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 minus 1 is 12. 12 minus 36 is minus 24 equals to 0. We can leave it like that if you want. That's an equation, but it's always good to have y is equals to mx plus c because that's the standard form. You can leave it here as well if you want to. I like y is equals to mx plus c, so I'm going to do that. So 24, which is going to be positive, minus 6x and divided by 2. So that will give me minus 3x plus 12 is y, right? So my equation is y is equals to minus 3x plus 12. Now, what we have to do is, the question says the complex number this is on the locus, all right? And we have to find the value of a. On the locus means it is lying on the equation we have just found, all right? So a plus ai lies on y is equals to minus 3x plus 12. That means, what does this mean? This means that these 2 points are lying on it. Y is equals to a and x is also equals to a. X is equals to a. Yeah, because it's lying on it. So we can write it. A is equals to minus 3a plus 12. 4a is equals to 12. A is equals to 3. That's our answer. Simple. Cool. Have a good day.